Hello! Let's learn how to use TrackLive, a one-of-a-kind AI-powered intra-oral virtual consultation innovation for remote dentistry. Let's explore all of its aspects one by one. An TrackLive can be initiated by both the dentist and the patient. First, let's explore how to initiate an TrackLive from the dentist's account. For TrackLive sessions to take place, the dentist needs to enter the timings as per their availability. Click on the name initials present at the top. Click on TrackLive time. Click on it, click on the fields, and add your start and end timing as per your availability on a particular day. Click on OK. Scroll down towards the bottom and save the changes. Unless you enter your availability, an TrackLive cannot take place. Now, let's learn how a dentist can initiate an TrackLive session. So this is a dentist's account. Here, click on Patients. Click on View written ahead of your patient's name. Click on Start TrackLive. Click on Agree and Continue, and then directly start the call. The patient will receive a notification saying your doctor is calling you. Tap to join. Click on Accept to join the call. Click on Agree and Continue, and there you go. Your call has started. Now, let's explore how to schedule an TrackLive from the patient's account. From the patient's interface, scroll towards the left to get to the TrackLive option. Then click on Request Now. Select the TrackLive session date and timings and click on Request. There you go, the request is sent. This appointment will only be confirmed or booked once the dentist confirms it from their interface. Now please note, this would work this way if the patient has an iPhone. If the patient has an Android phone, this process is slightly different. We will check it later in the video. First, let's continue on the iPhone's interface. Now let's find out how to accept or reschedule an TrackLive request from the dentist's account. The dentist will immediately receive a notification saying, New appointment request. In the app, click on the bell icon and click on Accept to confirm the appointment. Click on Yes. Immediately, the patient receives an appointment confirmation message. Now, if for a particular appointment the dentist is not available, they can click on Reject, confirm Yes to finish this activity, or select a different TrackLive slot for the patient. For this to work, the dentist will have to suggest at least 3 different slots, and then click on Select Slots. The patient will receive notification about the offered time slots. They have to simply click on it and select one time slot as per their preference, and then click on Confirm. The dentist will immediately receive an appointment confirmation notification. The patient and the dentist have to ensure that they are joining the call as per the confirmed appointment slot. For TrackLive session, a reminder would be displayed on their homepage. Go ahead, click on the Join button, click on Accept, Agree and Continue, and then join the call. Whoever joins the call first triggers a notification for the other party, allowing them to join as well. Now, one by one, let's explore all the exciting AI-powered functionalities of TrackLive. Let's explore the patient's interface first. Using this button, the patient can mute the call. Click here to switch between the front and the back camera. Once you switch to the back camera option, you will see an additional option of torch. Click on the torch button to switch on the flashlight. Click here to end the call. Now we'll prepare the Scope360. Open the elastic straps on the Scope360. Now carefully strap it over your phone's rear camera. You have to ensure that the camera lens is at the center of Scope360. Any shift in this position will prevent you from capturing scans properly. Now the patient is ready to scan. Your teeth should be bright and perfectly centered on the screen. This is what the dentist will be able to see on their screen. The dentist can check all the necessary details. I will explain each of the functionalities that the dentist will have. Click on the option of Record to record the audio plus video of the live session. The app can record a video of up to 30 seconds at a time. Click on the Capture button to take the screenshot in 5 different views. Click on the Direction button. You can see 4 arrows: up, down, right, and left. Click on it to guide the patient to move the Scope360 in different directions. Click on these magnifying glasses to zoom in and zoom out. The dentist can view all the images by clicking here on the Images icon. Every image will be displayed on the right side of the screen. The dentist can perform live AI analysis of the captured images by clicking on Analyze. Once done, you can click on Preview and view the results of the AI analysis. By clicking on the Mute option, the dentist can mute the call. Click on the Switch option to switch the camera. Once done with the session, the dentist and patient can end the call by clicking on this button. After you disconnect the call, AI will analyze your TrackLive session and generate a complete call summary. Click on Generate Report. At the next step, click on PDF Preview. This is how the consultation report will look. If you want, you can share the report with the patient. Later, the dentist can find the report in the TrackLive section. Click on it. Click on the Completed section to view all your reports. Click on View Report to open it. The patient can later find the entire report by clicking on the Reports section. Now let's explore how to conduct an TrackLive session if the patient has an Android phone. If the patient is an Android user, they will have to click on the TrackLive and book a consultation slot. Here, the patient will see 2 options: whether they want to book an TrackLive for a regular follow-up or an iTrack consultation. For example, if it is for a routine iTrack consultation, the patient can click on it, answer the questions, attach the iScope to the smartphone, skip the instructions, wear the Scope360, and capture images in 5 different views. Once done, click on Request. The dentist will then have to accept the request. During the call, the dentist can speak to the patient and perform the AI analysis of the uploaded images, while benefiting from all the remaining AI-powered functionalities. That's it, guys. For any more questions, you can contact us with the details shown on the screen.